Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can add text to your videos using CapCut Desktop. All right, whether it's using you want to use templates or already designed text, you're just few steps away from adding text to your video. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. But before that, you're welcome to Leaders Dynasty. If this is your first time here, my name is Cynthia Ifoma and you are welcome. Please stick around and join the community by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know every time I put out videos like this. All right, so let's get right into it. So let's get right into it. So after you launch CapCut, you can import the video you want to add text to. And let's say you're already at this point and we're just going to proceed from here. So to add text, you just go to the text tab on the menu and open the tab. Now you can see text. You can see default text. So just click on this plus button to add the text. So just by clicking, you can see my text is already on the screen. So now I come here to this part, the right hand side of the screen to edit the text. Let's say hello world. That's what I want to say. Hello world. So that's it. So I've edited this text. So what you have to do now is to customize the text to the font, the font size, the color, whatever you want, the effect that you want. Just make this, customize your text to look beautiful and bold, just to to emphasize more on what you want or what your video is about. So I'm just going to make it bold here and try and let me see. So we already have like a preset style. I can decide to hit this to give me like an outline, or if I don't want to use that one, I could. And from here, I can increase the size of my text or decrease it. Just come here and adjust the size. And here's the position. But instead of using this, that you can just come and drag it, keep it anywhere you want it to appear on the screen. Here's for strokes. That's the border. So if you want like a very light border, if you want a very thick border, you can still adjust it from here. Or if you don't want that, you want a background, you can just give your text a background. Just like that. Yeah, that's basically it. You can change the color of the background or something. Or if you don't want the background, you can just check this and that goes away. That goes away. If you want shadow or glow, whatever you want, you can check it. Just design it the way you want it to look. So, but let's say you're in a hurry and you don't have time to do all this. You can just select from the template, select any kind of text from the template and design it. You can add animations to the text, have the text to appear, or just select any form of animation that you like. You want it to appear, and just like that. Just play around with this to get used to it. And yes, that's basically it. So you can create it, you can make it very bold. Yes, more like it. But if you don't want to use this one, you can go to templates and just select a text and edit it. Just select any kind of template you would like to use here. Just select and just use it directly. Alright. And also some of them are pro versions. Okay, we have some free versions here too. So you can just use any one. Just clicking on it and add to the screen. You drag it to where you want to leave it and just that's it. That's it. So that's it for how to add text to your video or whatever it is you are editing. So it's very simple and straight to the point. Just follow the steps that I've shown. Or if you have like let's say a voiceover or a video with words and you want to add captions to it, you can just also generate captions here just by clicking on this tab it displays the caption, then select the language. But mostly it's usually English, but you can select any language and then you generate. Click on generate. Well, for this video, there's nothing like uh word, maybe like a recording of my voice. So I don't have that, so I cannot generate text. It's just the music. So, and I quite like what I have. So I like what I have here, and this is it. This is it. And I really like them. I think it's very cute, very cutesy, very demure. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you've gotten anybody from this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye bye.